Hello children, good morning. Welcome to Jayshree Teacher's class. Yay! Today we are going to do what? Tell me what we are going to learn today. Today we are going to talk about the Independence Day. Yes, we are going to learn about Independence Day. But before that we are going to do quick warm up. Come on, ready? Dance like a peacock, dance, dance, dance. Come on children, dance like a peacock, dance, dance, dance. Dance like a peacock, dance, dance, dance. Swim like a dolphin, swim, swim, swim. Swim like a dolphin, swim, swim, swim. Swim like a dolphin, swim, swim, swim. Roar like a tiger, roar, roar, roar. Roar like a tiger, roar, roar, roar. Let's have fun together. Let's have fun together. Yay! Come on, now teacher will tell you something about our country. Do you know what is the name of our country? Come on, tell me children. What is the name of our country? What is the name of our country? Yes, name of our country is India. India is our country and we should respect our country. We are all Indians. We all live in India and we are all Indians. Where do you live? I live in India and I am an Indian. I live in India and I am an Indian. And who is the president of our country? Who is the president of our country? Yes, Shri Ram Nath Kovind is our president of India. Children, repeat. Shri Ram Nath Kovind is president of India. And tell me, who is the Prime Minister of India? Shri Narendra Modi is Prime Minister of India. Come on children, repeat after teacher. Shri Narendra Modi is Prime Minister of India. And now teacher will tell you about our national festival that is going to come. That is Independence Day. India celebrates our Independence Day on 15th August each year. India celebrates Independence Day on 15th August each year. India is also called as Hindustan. India is also called as Hindustan and it is also known as Bharat. Bharat Mata ki Jai. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. सारे जहां से अच्छा हिंदुस्तान हमारा. Yes, you all know this song. Very good children. Well done. Independence Day is our national festival and on this day we hoist the flag at various places like offices, schools and at Red Fort in Delhi. It is a big celebration and it is very proud moment because we became free by the British rule. Okay children, now children we are going to learn about our national flag. Our national flag is called tricolor and it has three colors. It has three colors. See, this is our national flag and national flag is called Tiranga. Come on say, our national flag is called Tiranga and it has three colors. It has three colors. One first band is saffron color, second band is white color and third band is green color. And the wheel between white band. The middle of the white color is wheel. It is called as Dharma Chakra. It is also called as Ashoka Chakra. So we celebrate this day as Independence Day. Children, now come on, we will sing a song on our national flag. Come on. I look at the flag and what do I see? A nation so great, a country free, saffron at the top, down below green, blue will on white, in between. I salute the flag and I feel so proud. My country, my people and whole big crowd. I look at my flag and what do I see? A nation so great and country free. Come on, one more time. Come on, let's children. We'll sing this song one more time. And this time you all sing along with the teacher. Come on. I look at the flag and what do I see? A nation so great, a country free, saffron at the top, down below green, blue will on the white, in between. I salute the flag and I feel so proud. My country, my people and whole big crowd. I look at the flag and what do I see? A nation so great, a country free. Yay children! Did you all enjoy this song? Hope you will learn this song and you will sing at home. So 15th August we got our freedom. So we celebrate our Independence Day. We got the freedom from British rule. So we are celebrating our Independence Day on 15th of August. Okay children, you all understood the importance of our Independence Day. Now we are going to move to our activity. Children, we are going to make a wristband for today's activity. So teacher has taken the white printer paper and now we will draw the flag. Our national flag is tricolor and it is rectangle in shape. So we are going to give the rectangle shape. Okay children. And we will cut the shape. Okay children. Now we will make 3 parts like this. Okay children. See, teacher has one made like this. You have to make. So first we will color this top band orange color. Okay, very light color you have to color, very light, very light. Okay, then after orange we have to take the green crayon and we have to color at the bottom part, third band. Very light color you have to color. Okay children. So our national flag has 3 colors, saffron, white and green. So now teacher will take this sketch pen and teacher will make the dots on this colored band. Saffron color stands for strength and courage. Now teacher will take green color and put the dots on the green, and in the middle Ashoka Chakra. Ashoka Chakra is of blue color. So teacher is taking one bead and sticking in the middle, okay, with the help of Fevicol. So our Ashoka Chakra is ready here and our flag is ready. Children, our flag is ready. It looks so nice. Okay, children, see here. This is Ashoka Chakra and it spins for progress. Now we will take one ribbon and we will stick here at the back side and we will tie in our hand. See here, children, teacher has made the band. See, it looks so pretty. You all make it and wear it and click the photo and send to the teacher. See, children, we have made the wristband with the help of our national flag. Children, you also make and wear it in your wrist. You all wear on your wrist. Okay. You can make it for your parent also. Okay, children. See, it looks so lovely. Happy Independence Day. Children, Happy Independence Day. Enjoy the day. Bye.